Hello, welcome to the home office. This is our survival kit. Now in this kit, I'm going to show you 4 different ways of working from home. It's like a lot of people are already having to do now due to the current circumstances here. Okay, we're going to talk about teleconferencing, video conferencing, web conferencing, and one of the new up-and-comers, virtual video conferencing. Now for those of us that don't have a home office set up like you see here, we have to go different routes. One of the first things that's been used is teleconferencing. Now with teleconferencing, it's just what it sounds like. You get on the phone. You, the rest of your group, you're on this conference call. Now it's neat because you don't get seen, so you don't have to get dressed up. Most people will be there in a t-shirt and a pair of shorts. That's fine. But you also want to remember they can hear everything because you're on speakerphone. So while you're talking, make sure you speak clearly. When you're not talking, hit that mute button. Otherwise, they're going to hear your family in the background. They're going to hear your dog. They're going to hear you eat. All kind of crazy sounds come across on teleconferences, so use that mute button. Now, like you see here, this is video conferencing. Now, the way that works is you're on a video call. So you're able to see each other, you hear each other, but you're doing it across the internet. Now, because you're doing this, you will have to get dressed. T-shirts probably won't cut it here. Also, you will be seen the whole time. Make sure you keep your fingers out of your nose. But have fun with it. You're able to see your teammates. You're able to talk. They can see those nonverbals that you miss when you're just not there together. And don't forget, some of these video conferences can be done on your phone. Our phones today are a lot smarter than they used to be. So you can do this on a handheld device now. Let's look at some web conferencing. This is where things get a little bit different. A lot of the web conferencing is when you start to use the cloud. You have your Zoho Docs, your Microsoft Office Docs, or not Office, Microsoft Suite. You have your Google Docs. Now in these, this is where you're able to collaborate with somebody. You can be in separate countries and work on a document at the same time. Now you're not able to talk, but you can text back and forth on the document to stay in contact. Okay, last one we're going to talk about is the virtual video conferencing. Now, these are very neat. They're fairly new compared to the other technologies we've talked about. Stuff like Second Life is one that gets used a lot. And it's where people actually hold meetings on a virtual room. And you can see from these pictures, they have rooms set up. You can go in. So once you sign in, you pick an avatar, and that's who your person is. So you can look around, you can move around. People see you. You don't even have to be a person. And so you're able to stay connected, and you can see the others and still talk to them, but you're not actually seeing them because it's all virtual. Okay, well, thanks for watching our video. We're at the end. Leave you with a quick note. Make sure and cut down on those distractions. Keep your fingers out of your nose and wear pants.